Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Tefal Virtuo Steam Ironing, the model FV1711, 1800 watts, durable anti-calc, non-stick easy gliding, repairable 10 years product, I like that, with more cool features. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. You have the manuals with a cable length 2 meters, I like that, the power cord, adjustable here, flexible, on a beautiful light blue and white color, I like it, good looking steam ironing, the sole plate with the steam output, LED indicator here, the water tank, transparent, so you can know all the time how much water you have. We can see it has water inside, that means this device was tested, if it has any leakages. This is the temperature control dial, which allows you to select the appropriate setting for the fabric you are ironing. The maximum, decreasing, maximum again. Here we have the steam control button on the iron's handle, allows you to adjust the steam output, off, first and maximum boost. Very easy to adjust. Here you can press the button to activate the steam function and hold it down for a few seconds for additional steam output. This is the turbo mode. If you have stubborn wrinkles, use the spray function to add moisture and smooth them out. Here it is the output. And the input to add water. Yes, tap water can be used, but distilled water is recommended to prevent mineral buildup. You can also use the iron for vertical steaming. Some icons here. So let's refill with water and start the test. 150 ml I have here. Here it has a small hole if you have any issues with water pressure inside, so that's why it is this small hole. And the max capacity, here, I can add a little bit more. So maximum you can add 200 ml of water. Let's try it. Plug it in. Always empty the water tank after use. The built-in anti-calc system is a huge benefit for longevity, but an occasional light clean of the sole plate will keep the beryllium surface gliding like new. And don't forget the vertical steam function for quick refreshes on delicate items or curtains. A lightweight, easy to use iron that is quick to heat up, easy to handle and delivers consistently wrinkle-free results without fuss. This is the one. The beryllium sole plate truly glides smoothly. And the 80 gram per minute steam boost is powerful enough to tackle those tough graces on denim or linen. It's an excellent balance of power and convenience for everyday ironing. For a final thought on the Tefal Virtuo, this iron proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get powerful, effective steaming. What's the one piece of clothing you dread ironing the most? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical home appliance reviews. Thanks for watching, happy ironing, and I'll see you in the next video.